how to use the animation tools in Vic Studio. So in order to do that, just head over and then just choose in here which one you want to apply an animation into. For example, let's apply an animation to this particular part. You can click on that, and then from in there you can see some options as well. Now take note that on some cases you can add animation, and some cases you can. So let's add it onto this image right now. Once you have selected the image, you can see in here some options like settings, mask, crop, and you can click on these three dots, and then you can scroll down and you can see in here this particular assets. What we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here the edit option. Now you can also click onto this settings as well and then scroll down, and then in here you can see this when image is clicked, you can add something that will happen for this one. Now you can change up some as well. Now you can also apply it onto the text. Just click on the edit text option and then just find in here this animation and effects. You can choose an effect for hover, for click, for scroll, or anything that you want. So that's how you use animation tools in Vex Studio. Hope we helped.